Look at the camera.
Okay, go.
Oh, my sunshine, my only sunshine, you make me happy. The skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take our sunshine away.
Yay!
All right. Hey, Liana, what happens when you go to jail?
I eat bread and water,
Bread and water?
and the kids will beat me up.
And the kids will beat you up? Where are you going to sleep?
Then slowly,
Huh?
and then I'm gonna eat bread and water
You're
Where
going to
do you
eat
sleep?
bread and water? Well, where are you going to sleep?
down the floor, no blanket.
And what are you going
With
to wear?
no blanket?
What?
What do you have to wear?
There's, huh?
A diaper.
A diaper.
Oh, my gosh.
And
And
what
what'll happen with the kids?
It's a beat me up.
The kids will beat you up in jail? Look at Auntie. What would they do? Tell me.
Beat me up.
And what do you have to eat there?
Bread and water.
Bread and water?
Look at the camera.
Yeah. And what else? Is it scary there?
Yep.
It is? How do you know?
I sleep on grandma. I'm a put no blanket. Teachers look at me.
Who's going to take you there?
The police cop.
The police cop? Really? Is he scary?
Why? What do you do if you don't wear what in the car?
Wolf no blanket.
No.
What do you have to wear in the car?
Wolf no blanket.
Your
No.
Seatbelt.
Your what?
Seatbelt.
Oh, you have to wear your seatbelt in the car?
Hmm?
Or what'll happen?
When I watch what?
Huh?
What happened? You'll go to jail.
I'll go jail.
You'll go to jail?
Yep.
And what'll happen there?
The kids will beat me up.
The kids will beat you up?
Yep.
And what do you have to eat?
Bread and water.
And what will mommy say?
My mom took me there yesterday.
Your mom took you there yesterday? How about daddy?
My dad took me yesterday.
So did you have to eat bread and water? Hey, did you have to eat bread and water?
Yeah.
You like bread and water, huh?
Let me see the camera. Let me see it.